Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm sharing 8 companies that are currently hiring for remote work at home positions. So if you are interested in work from home jobs, this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till the end and I will be sharing with you more information about that. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button guys, and don't forget to put the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who go on to this system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so first website job I'm gonna talk about is called Sutherland. So they are currently hiring for a support and sales rep. So this opportunity is in the US only guys, and you must have a prior service to sales experience and speedy internet and a quiet workplace, and paid training is included guys. So as is incentives and performance bonuses are included. So according to indeed.com, it should pay between $12 and $13 per hour after training. You can learn more about this opportunity guys directly by visit here, and you can apply from here, and you can find all the details here, what categories and how, what is their job descriptions and all that stuff. So go ahead and check it out guys, and I leave a link in the description of this video so you can go from there. Okay, so let's talk about another website. So next website I'm going to talk about guys is called STEM for Kids. So they are currently hiring for a business development associates, and you must live within 60 miles of Raleigh, North Carolina for this opportunity, and you must have at least 1 year of college education experience as well, and as well as customer service experience guys. So you can learn more about this opportunity and I leave a link in the description of this video, and go ahead and check it out. Okay, so let's jump on another job. So another job I'm going to talk about is called Answer First. So they are currently hiring for a customer service reps, and they're currently only hiring in Florida guys, Nevada and New Hampshire, South Dakota. And you must have a speedy internet connection as well as approved document, so which is listed on their website at answersfirst.com. So you must have a strong typing skills and previous call center experts. And so according to Glassdoor, the pay should be around $12 an hour, and you can learn more about this opportunity by going directly here, and I leave a link in the description of this video. You can find out more details here. Okay, so let's talk about another job. So another job is customer service team member, and the job is Coca-Cola. So they are currently hiring for a customer service team members, and the US and Canada. This is a full-time position guys, and you must have at least 2 to 3 years of prior customer service experience. And be sure and read the list of key skills carefully because it is very specific on what systems and program you should be familiar with. So according to Glassdoor.com, this position should pay between guys $13 to $14 an hour, and you can learn more about this opportunity by going directly here. You can find out all the details here. So go ahead and check it out guys. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Okay, so next one is Colonial Life. So they are currently hiring for a customer service reps guys, and applicant must live in the mountain of Pacific time zone. So you must have a speedy internet connection and a quiet workplace, relevant experience guys is strongly preferred, and according to Glassdoor, pay should be around $14 to $15 per hour. So you can go here and check it out. You can also apply with LinkedIn, and they have all the details here on this page, what they are required. So go ahead and check it out guys. So the next is Thinkful. So they currently have opening for a community managers. So this opportunity is only for United States, and only 2 years of experience and marketing or event management is required guys. So they offer a competitive salaries and a lot of benefits. You can learn more about this opportunity guys here. They have all the details here, what these are total requirement is and what the compensation and benefits they are giving to you, and you can also apply to this job from here. So go ahead and check it out guys. Okay, so next one is Wiki Virtuals. So they are currently hiring virtual assistant guys at $10 per hour, and the best part is no experience is necessary through it. Plus you must have be able to type 50 words per minute, and this opportunity is in the US only currently, and you can learn more about this opportunity, and I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You can go from there and you can find out all the details here in this page. Okay, so last one is called Holland America line. So they are currently hiring for a virtual receptionist guys. So you may need to live or near Seattle, Washington for this opportunity, and previous sales experience is required, and you must be comfortable with Microsoft Office and Outlook, and they are giving a lot of benefits are included, and salary is not listed here, but according to Indeed.com it pays around $15.50 per hour. So you can learn more about this opportunity by going here directly. You can find out all the details here, what are the requirements and what are the benefits they are giving to you. So go ahead and check it out guys, and these are the 8 websites I'm going to talk about that hiring work from home jobs today, so you can check it out. But guys, you are still trading time for money. You can make money by doing this, but you're still trading time for money. And what if I tell you that there is an easy way you can start? So click the first link in the description of this video guys if you want to learn more, and this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description guys, and I'll be share with you more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video guys, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.